your next favorite idol. The spotlight is calling. She is answering with her solo idol debut at Waifu Fest 2025. Catch her with her performance filled with charm, energy, and pure idol magic. Expect dazzling songs, cute choreography, and moments that will make your heart skip a bit. The stage will be alive with passion, and May is ready to share it all with you. So, hindi ko na patatagalin to. Let's welcome here on the Waifu Fest 2025 stage, Myla Chica.
May, La Chica actually. Welcome
Yeah.
back.
Welcome
Hi.
back.
Hello, hello. Hi, everyone! I'm back. Hello, hello. So, gonna be... Hi! So, ayan. This is my second time performing for today. I hope you guys enjoy my performance. Hi guys, how are you? How is everyone doing? Nilalamig ba kayo? Hindi. Weird no? Actually, lamigin ako na tao pero hindi rin ako nilalamig. Tapos naka-sleeveless pa. Baka ano, baka saka ba? Go guys! Go tech person! Hello! Magtatanong-tanong muna ako. Hi po, ma'am! Hello, hello, hello. Hi, sir, naka-glasses. How are you doing po? So, taga saan po kayo, sir? Taga saan po kayo, sir? Maynila. Bakit po kayo napadpad sa Baguio?
Na-invite lang sila.
Na-invite sila. So, ano po yung role nyo sa group nila? Ano po yung role nyo sa group nila?
Lalay.
Alalay! Give it up, everyone! For Hoshizora's Alala! Bakit niyo po naisipan na maging alalay ng Hoshizora?
Kasing no choice.
Wala daw no choice! Paano pag may choice, pipiliin mo pa rin ba sila? Hindi niya sinasaga. Nasa pa yung Hoshizora, yung manager. Hello! Hello po! Kamusta po kayo? Ano bang pwedeng itanong? Are you part of the original roster ng Hoshizora?
Yes po.
Yes. Ilan na lang kayo natirang original?
Tatlo po.
Tatlo. So, ikaw, si Ces, tsaka si Kim. Oh my gosh. Oo nga. Lagi ko kayo nakikita. So, have you ever cosplayed anyone else from Lielo other than, sabi ko sa other than Taiga? Other than, Chisato?
Yes po. Halos lahat.
Lahat na-cosplay mo? Pati si Gogo? Bakit hindi na sila kina-cosplay mo ngayon?
Oshi ko po kasi si Chisa.
Bakit? Bakit siya yung Oshi mo?
Kasi po, magaling po sa sumayaw.
Tsaka cute. Oh, yes. Hello, you're one of the newer members, right? So, anong naisipan mo? Bakit ka sumali ng Hoshizora?
Ano po, naisipan ko pong sumali sa Hoshizora.
Naisipan niya sumali ng Hoshizora, kaya siya sumali ng Hoshizora. Let's go! Thank you guys. Thank you guys for entertaining me while waiting for my song. Are we all good? Yes! Hi, kita kudasai! Ulit lang siya ng song, pero sana ma-enjoy niyo ulit. Bawi ako sa earlier performance. 物お気に入りの言うて崩せない前がむぐしてといてお出かけしよう軽いようなふざけんな重すぎる綱可愛くてごめん大好きでごめん目立っててごめんしちゃうよねごめん可愛くてごめん自分磨きしてごめんぶりっ子でごめん虜にしちゃってごめんもかついちゃうでしょざまあ種類の違い変わり者とバカにされても負けたくない乾くもないあんたらごとき自分の味方は自分であれたい一番大切にしてあげたい理不尽な我慢はさせたくないそれが私可愛くてごめん生まれてきちゃってごめんあざたくてごめん人生楽しんでごめん可愛くてごめん努力しちゃっててごめんあざたくてごめん努力したててごめんもかついちゃうよねざまあOh my goodness. There's a butterfly. I don't know where this is from, but I feel like it's part of my costume. So I'm gonna save it for later. Thank you everyone. I love the energy. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed that performance. So that was Kawai Kute by Honeyworks. So yun, pangalawang beses niyo siya. I feel like I did better this time than earlier. I'm a bit less pagod now. So, yes, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for all the energy. Ano yan? Nakag-warm up na! Thank you. So, yung next song ko is for all the Love Live people here. Sino fan ng Love Live? Sino yung fan ng Love Live na walang grupo? Yung tigi-isa lang sila. Di ba yun yun? Yun yun, di ba? Ano yun? Nijigasaki? Di ba? Wala silang group. They're just like solo people. So yes, I'm gonna be performing one song, a song from Nijigasaki. I feel like pwede pang makahingi ng water because medyo challenging yung next song na to. This is actually one of the songs na super pangarap kong ma-perform. Alam kong na-perform na to ni Ses. Alam ko na-perform na to ni Ashley. So, ako naman. Thank you sa mga senpai ko. Senpai in solo performance. Because, you know, first ko mag-solo. Yay! Thank you. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope I'm ready. I'm so nervous. But, hi! Kita kudasai! 走り出した想いは強くするよ悩んだら君の手を握ろう大事な気持ちまるで裏切るように過ごした昨日にはもうバイバイして繰り返したリスクと後悔言い訳ばかり探して決めつけた振り回すのはやめて足を踏み出す最初は怖いかもでも進みたいその心があれば走り出した想いは強くするよ なりたい自分を我慢しないでいいよ夢はいつかほら輝き出すんだはいはいはいはいはいはいはいはいまぶたを閉じれば何度だって出会える高なることを信じる未来をここに宿す世界が色づいて光出す瞬間を君と見たいその心がアンサー走り出した想いは強くするよ悩んだら君の手を握ろうなりたい自分を我慢しないでいいよ夢はいつかほら輝き出すんだ Oh yeah! Yeah! 目には見えない力でつながる夢はいつかほら輝き出すんだはいはいはいはいはいはいはいありがとうございます Thank you everyone Oh my goodness I feel like this is such a dream come true Thank you so much Waifu Fest for making my dream come true Yay! Thank you so much guys So yun medyo na-challenge ako ng matindi dun sa song na yun. So, yung next song ko will be a singing lang. This is more of touching your hearts with the song. Wait lang, this is too tall for me because I'm short. Sorry, ang late ko. Masyado matangkad yung mic. Okay. Hello. This is also too tall. Why is everything too tall for me? Yan. So, as I said earlier, tong next song ko is more of like just singing for you guys. So, kakantahan ko kayo. Ano yun? Okay. So, okay, wait lang. I'm gonna... Baba daw onte. Okay. Sorry. So, sino dito? Ano yung mga songs na sa tingin nyo makakapag-invoke ng mga feelings sa inyo? Yung mga anime na nung napanood nyo, umiyak kayo, ganon. Meron ba? Kimi no Nawa, meron pa? Other than Kimi no Nawa? Yung luma. Walang age reveal, pero yung medyo luma, ganon. Dali, pag narinig ko, may free print doon sa booth ko. Anyone? Ano to? Sige, magbigay tayo ng clue. Ano siya? Ghoster siya. Nanggo-ghost. Hindi naman nanggo-ghost specifically. Okay, puti yung buhok ng protagonist. Nung semi-protagonist. Babae na maliit. Wala ba? Ano ba yan? Mga hindi kayo nanonood ng anime, no? Meron? Ana! Yay! So, if alam niyo yung song na Secret Base from Anohana, that's what I will be... Minma! Yan yung kakantahin ko for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Sorry, this is just... Can I have water then? Okay. Let's go. Thank you guys for everyone. Thank you everyone for having me and I hope you enjoy my next song. 君と夏の終わり将来の夢大きな希望を忘れない10年後の8月まと出会えるのを信じて 道の中最後まで心からありがとう叫んでたこと知ってたよ涙をこらえて笑顔でさよなら切ないよね最高の思い出を突然のどうしようもなく手紙書くよ電話もするよ忘れないでね僕のことをいつまでも二人の道の中終わりそうだ10年後の8月また出会えるのを信じて君が最後まで心からありがとう叫んでたこと知ってたよ涙をこらえて笑顔でさよなら切ないよね最高の思い出をIyak muna kayo.
Wow, grabe.
Thank you guys. Arigatou gozaimasu.
From a vibrant and energetic and charming mood to a dreamy and melancholic naman na vibe.
Thank
We have
you.
one more?
Okay na po. That's my last
Ay,
song.
alright.
Pinakalma ko lang po kayo. Thank you.
Diyos ko, parang naalala ko yung aking mga utang. Charot! Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss May. Ayan, thank you so much. We are still gonna be expecting you tomorrow, tama?
Yes po, I have a performance din po tomorrow with a different setlist na. Thank you.
Yes. So, parang hindi ka panipaniwala that this is your first solo stage and you have been giving us very great performances. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. I really appreciate being
Yes.
here.
What do we expect tomorrow? Magpe-perform din siya tomorrow, di ba?
Yes.
Ano yung i-expect namin do?
I know, you can expect Maho Shoujo!
Oh, yan! Gusto ko yan!
It's a sparkly and magical girl anime feels.
Yung kinanta niya, it's an ending theme song of Anohana. One of the iconic theme songs in anime. So pag narinig mo yan, medyo, especially when the scene where Menma is being disappeared.
Ayoko na. Wag
you
na, wag
found
na.
me.
Like, one of the iconic scenes. Kaya hindi ko na inulit eh. Isang beses ko lang siya pinanood after ng tigil na natin.
Balikan
Huwag na daw
yun.
balikan yung mga mabait
Anything na
alaala.
anything na magpapaiyak sa akin, tinigil ko na after one watch.
Rewatch. It's a sign, guys. Rewatch na daw kayo ng
Rewatch.
ano,
Sige na nga.
Hana.
Ihanda ulit ang ating puso. Okay, thank you so much and we'll
Thank
see you again
you.
tomorrow. So,
Dane.
let's give another big round of applause to Ms. May La Chica.